Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today we'll learn 3 tricks to save MS Word file into PDF. Trick number 1. Here's a Word document, and we save it in PDF with different tricks. First click on File. Then click on Save As option. At the bottom, you see the Browse option. Click on it. Choose Path to save file. And below the file name, your file type is Word, Docs. Click on it and choose PDF, then press Save button. Your file is saved to PDF successfully. PDF keep your documents look the same on any device. Trick number 2. Again click on File. And go to Export tab. After clicking on it, by default open Create PDF and XPS document. On the right side, click on Create PDF button. Choose File Path, File Name and click on Save. It's simple way to convert your doc file into PDF. PDFs are easy to open on different devices and systems. Trick number 3. Click on File. Go to Print tab. It shows an option, Printer. If you have a printer software, it shows here. After clicking on it, we see many options, but click on Microsoft Print to PDF. At last just press Print button. A dialog box appears. Write name of file and then click on Save. You can protect PDFs with passwords to keep them safe. PDFs are often smaller than Word files, so they're easier to share. Let's check the all save PDF files. And here it is. PDF give your documents a pro appearance, which is important for business. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.